I'm now standing in front of the historical building, which was once the Surrey County Hall. London Square has successfully received the consent to convert this great two-listed building into a unique residential development opportunity in prime southwest London. London Square will retain as much of its original facade and interior, including the original Surrey County Ballroom and courtroom. This building was also home to many famous British films and TVs. The site is a stone's throw away from River Thames and about 5 minutes walk to the High Street. You are also 15 minutes walk to Kingston Station that gives you great accessibility around London and across the UK via regular services to London Waterloo. Apart from that, residents have the option of an extensive bus network as well as riverboat options along the Thames. Kingston offers a unique blend of historic charm and modern amenities. It's situated on the River Thames in southwest London, providing a scenic environment with a vibrant town centre. It is quintessentially English, with a wide array of shopping and dining options, from high-end shops and restaurants to independent local boutiques and cafes. You are not short of green spaces, and within walking distance to numerous parks and riverside areas for recreation and relaxation. And the other reason why this neighborhood is a top choice, especially for families, is diverse and outstanding education, with over 20 Ofsted ranked outstanding and good schools across the borough. You are not just only buying a home, you are buying a heritage icon. You are buying a lifestyle. If you would like to know more about this development, please contact us immediately.